Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Snibe MAGLUMI 1+2 starter kit. As you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit, and you can see this is the MAGLUMI starter 1+2 kit. You can see the content, the reference number over here 130299004M, and you can see this is the lot number and the expiry date, and you can see this is need to be stored between 2 to 30 degrees Celsius, and you have the manufacturing address here. You can see here, this is the Snibe Diagnostics, and let me show you the sides. So these are the sides. So this is the back side of the kit. So on the top, this is the top side of the kit, and you can see this is a barcode over here. So guys, let me open this for you. So as you can see, this is the unboxing video, and you can see there are two bottles present. Let me show you what is it. So this is the MAGLUMI starter 1 reagent of 230 ml. You can see the lot number, the expiry, and all the other details. So this is the starter 1 reagent, and then we have the starter 2 reagent, I presume. Yeah, this is the MAGLUMI starter 1, and this is the MAGLUMI starter 2 reagent. You can see the 230 ml content, and you can see the lot number, the expiry date, and all the other details. And there is also, there is a back insert. Let me take this out. So this is the MAGLUMI box, and this is the reagent 2, this is reagent 1. So, and also it comes with the back insert. Let me show you it. So this is the Snibe MAGLUMI starter kit. You can see it's the 1+2 kit. This is the back insert of it. So guys, to sum this up, this is the MAGLUMI 1+2 starter kit. As you can see, it comes with the box, and this is the MAGLUMI 1 reagent, this is the MAGLUMI 2 reagent, and this is the back insert of it. So this is the entire unboxing of Snibe MAGLUMI starter 1+2 reagent. Thank you.